It all started with Arnold Downer back in the 30s. Born in Australia and raised in New Zealand, where he helped build iconic infrastructure, including the country's first motorway.
We've all come a long way since. How we travel, commute, and connect. Things have changed. We've grown with it.
We are now Australasia's leading trans-Tasman transport and infrastructure business, bringing the best of Australia and New Zealand together.
Through our innovation and relationships, we build and maintain critical transport and infrastructure assets while producing low-carbon, sustainable road solutions and delivering world-class green buildings.
We are experts in our field, and we strive to deliver the best outcomes for our customers and our people. In doing so, we enable communities to thrive.
We're all about building and maintaining different types of infrastructure, like roads, railways, cycleways, ports, and commercial buildings like hospitals, schools and universities, and community centres. Our team of 6,500 get people moving across New Zealand, the Pacific Islands, and throughout Australia.
When it comes to roads and airport infrastructure, we do everything from planning and strategic procurement to research and development, civil engineering, as well as long-term asset management. We also play a role in constructing and maintaining rail and port infrastructure that helps connect and support our communities.
We recognise the power of technology and use it to lead the way we deliver innovative products and services that are developed and supported by engineering science.
Just as our founder Arnold Downer provided pioneering engineering solutions, we're still living out the same promise of delivering strong, proven and innovative infrastructure for our customers. We enable communities to thrive.